Crash Course on Panama, Indigenous Culture. Panama is home to diverse indigenous cultures that have rich traditions, customs, and ways of life. Let's explore the indigenous groups, such as the Guna Yala and Ngäbe-Buglé people, and delve into their unique heritage. Indigenous cultures. Panama is blessed with a tapestry of indigenous cultures that have flourished for centuries. The Guna Yala, also known as the Guna people, inhabit the San Blas Islands and maintain a strong connection to their ancestral lands. The Ngäbe-Buglé people reside in the western regions of Panama and embrace their cultural practices. Traditional customs. The indigenous communities of Panama have preserved their traditional customs, reflecting their deep-rooted spirituality, arts, crafts, and sustainable lifestyles. They have a strong connection to the natural world, practicing traditional agriculture, fishing, and handicrafts. Interesting stories, examples. 1. The Guna Yala people are known for their vibrant and intricate molas, which are handmade textiles that depict the Guna culture and traditions. These stunning artworks have gained international recognition and have become a symbol of Panama's indigenous heritage. 2. The Ngäbe-Buglé people have a strong connection to the land and practice sustainable farming techniques. Their traditional knowledge of medicinal plants and natural resources has been passed down through generations, contributing to their self-sufficiency and respect for the environment. Top 12 attractions of Panama Indigenous. 1. Guna Yala, San Blas Islands. Immerse yourself in the Guna Yala culture by visiting the San Blas Islands, where you can witness their traditional way of life, explore pristine beaches, and experience their warm hospitality. 2. Embera Village. Journey to an Embera village, where you can learn about their traditional music, dance, and handicrafts. Engage with the community, savor traditional cuisine, and appreciate their unique lifestyle. 3. Ngäbe-Buglé communities. Explore the Ngäbe-Buglé territories and engage with the local communities. Witness their traditional ceremonies, visit their artisan markets, and learn about their sustainable agricultural practices. 4. Guna Yala Congress. If you have the opportunity, attend a Guna Yala Congress, a gathering where the Guna people discuss and make decisions about their community's affairs. It's a fascinating insight into their governance and decision-making processes. 5. Traditional healing practices. Learn about the traditional healing practices of the indigenous communities. They possess deep knowledge of herbal remedies and natural medicines, passed down through generations. 6. Traditional dances and music. Attend cultural events or festivals where you can witness traditional dances and music performances, which showcase the vibrant and rhythmic expressions of the indigenous cultures. 7. Traditional cuisine. Indulge in the flavors of indigenous cuisine, such as the traditional Guna dish called patacones, made from plantains, or Ngäbe-Buglé delicacies like sancocho, a hearty soup prepared with local ingredients. 8. Handicrafts and artworks. Visit artisan markets or cooperatives to admire and purchase traditional handicrafts, including molas, woven baskets, carved woodcrafts, and intricate beadwork. 9. Cultural museums. Explore cultural museums dedicated to preserving and showcasing indigenous heritage. These museums provide insights into the history, traditions, and daily lives of indigenous communities. 10. Indigenous guided tours. Engage in guided tours led by indigenous community members themselves. They will share their stories, knowledge, and offer an authentic perspective on their culture and customs. 11. Community-based ecotourism. Support community-based ecotourism initiatives, where you can stay with indigenous families, participate in community activities, and contribute to sustainable development. 12. Indigenous heritage centers. Visit Indigenous heritage centers, which serve as cultural hubs, promoting indigenous art, music, dance, and education. These centers offer workshops and educational programs to raise awareness and appreciation for indigenous cultures. Summary. Panama's indigenous cultures enrich the nation's cultural tapestry. The Guna Yala and Ngäbe-Buglé people showcase vibrant traditions, unique customs, and sustainable practices. By immersing yourself in their way of life, you can gain a deeper understanding of their rich heritage and contribute to their cultural preservation. Panama invites you to celebrate and learn from its indigenous communities, fostering a greater appreciation for the diversity that defines the nation. Poem. In Panama's embrace, indigenous spirits reside. Guardians of traditions, a cultural tide. Guna Yala's Islands, where molas bloom. A vibrant tapestry, a story to consume. Embera villages, with music and dance. Preserving heritage, a cultural stance. Ngäbe-Buglé's land, sustainable and strong. Nature's wisdom, guiding them along. Ancient customs, passed through the years. Medicinal secrets, healing the soul's tears. Rhythms and melodies, a captivating sound. Expressing stories, traditions profound. Engage with communities, hearts open wide. Share their cuisine, with flavors untied. Handicrafts crafted, with skill and art. Symbols of culture, treasures from the heart. Guided by indigenous voices, explore their land. Community-based tourism, a helping hand. Indigenous heritage centers, fostering pride. Preserving traditions, a nation's stride. Panama celebrates its indigenous roots. A vibrant mosaic, where culture transmits and shoots. Embrace the wisdom, the customs, and more. Discover the beauty of Panama's indigenous lore. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?A = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.